Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel 12 In this video, today we will know about Infinix new phone Infinix Zero 8i and guess whether this phone is worth taking. If we talk, then the Infinix company does not do much. There are always some phones above it, and some of his good phones are not seen, and now it seems that Infinix has come out of the phone a little bit. But still, can this phone compete with others where you get to see Xiaomi and Realme in the market? First, let's talk about some of highlighted features of this phone. First of all, this phone gets a display. It gets a big display of 6.85 inches with a refresh rate of 90 Hz and a touch response of 180 Hz. You are getting a very full HD IPS screen with a resolution of 1080 into 2460 pixels, which will give you a good feel. After this, let's talk about the heart of every phone. It is the processor, and under this phone you are getting to see MediaTek's Helio G90T processor, which is based on 12nm technology, which increases the performance of the phone, where you can find the future of liquid cooling that makes this phone a lot of interesting. With this, you get 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage in this phone, which is a very good deal with 15,000 rupees. After this, when talking about the next features, what is there in it? You get to see dual SIM support in it, in which you get a support of dedicated SD card which goes up to 256GB. Inside it, you get to see Infinix X is based on Android 10. And if you talk about cameras, then you get a great camera with a 48 megapixel primary camera with f1.79 aperture. The second camera is 8 megapixel ultra wide. The third camera is 2 megapixel depth camera, and the last fourth camera is an AI sensor. The rear camera supports autofocus, which is quite good, and in the selfie you get a 16 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack, FM radio, and the battery inside this phone is 4500 mAh and it supports 33 watts fast charging, but in the box you will only see an 18 watt charger. Infinix has presented this phone like a slightly stylish phone with a polycarbonate back in this phone and a few changes in the design, which we can appreciate very much, but the weight of this phone has become 210 grams, which may cause some problem to hold this phone in hand. With this, Infinix has done a lot of work on its camera to make it better. Talking about the G90T processor, it is a very good processor which had a very good performance in the case of Redmi Note 8 Pro, which we saw last year. But you can understand that G90T is about a 1-year-old processor which was announced last year in August. However, in 15,000 rupees you get to see MediaTek G95, but if seen you do not get to see 8GB and 128GB in the 15,000 range, according to which Infinix Zero 8i gives you a very good deal. And let's know about the connectivity features of Infinix Zero 8i. You get to see Wi-Fi 802.11, support for GPS and Bluetooth version 5.0. For charging, you get to see the support of USB Type-C, which is excellent. In this, you get 4G support and sensors to see accelerometer sensor, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. And overall, Infinix must have had a lot of expectations with this new phone. And if we talk according to the price range, Infinix is giving a very good deal to its customers. So definitely this thing happens about Infinix Zero 8i smartphones. How did you feel about this phone? Do not forget to tell it in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.